What's up, makers? My name is Wesley November, and today I'm going to be building two cabinets pretty much in unison because I'm using the Laguna Swift 4x8 table CNC router. So with these two cabinets, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 1/4" bit, I'm going to make a groove in the back so we can slip in a panel. The rest of it's going to be a simple rectangle, but the cool thing about it is I'm going to build both of them at the same time. While I'm assembling one, the other one's going to be cutting. This way, it'll cut my design and build time in half. So traditionally, without the CNC router, what I'd be using is a table saw. I'd use the dado bit and I could make my channel with that. Luckily, I've got the CNC machine, so what I'm gonna do is I make my single pass with the 1/4" bit where I can make my panel slide in easier. And then I don't have to do every cut separately. What I can do is lay the material down and it makes all the cuts out that I need, and then it's ready for assembly. So I use a 1/4" bit, and that's gonna make my pass for the groove where I can slide in my back panel. And then to cut all the rest of the pieces out, I'm gonna use a 1/2" bit that's a compression bit. So that way I get a clean cut on the top and a clean cut on the bottom. So as you can see, I'm a one-man show. I do everything by myself, but luckily I've got the Laguna Swift CNC that always has my back. The beauty of it is I can build these two pieces simply, easily, and quick and clean, and perfectly every time. And now that these two pieces are wrapped up so quickly, I can just go out and enjoy the day.